Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Crochetist Yarn and Hook Studio. Today I will tell you that how to make the crochet band. One of the tutorials is already available, the wrapping of the band and how to make the edges. You can watch on my channel. The edges are neatly made and I have explained in detail. The second thing that in today's tutorial I am going to tell you about how to make these flowers and the leaves. So don't skip the video because I'm going to give you the tricks that how you're going to blend these beautiful flowers on the band, and also how you are going to make the leaves properly, and there is a trick to make these two leaves together. So you have to watch till the end. So don't skip it because you are going to make it for yourself and it's very easy. And the second thing is that you can easily sell it in very reasonable price. To start making the flower, we will be needing different kind of colors. The center color is yellow and the rest combo is dark purple and off-white. We are going to start with the center, and for center we will take 8 single crochet in a magic loop. In my previous video, I have explained magic loop in very detail. So single crochet we have to take almost 8 times. Now we are going to attach the any of the color that you have chosen on the center. We have already made with single crochet. So start with the chain of 3 from any of the stitch in 8 stitches. 8 single crochet we have taken, 3 chains, and double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Now take 3 chains again and slip stitch in the same stitch. The first flower petal is done. Now slip stitch in the next stitch and 3 chains. Again 3 times double crochet in the same stitch. And 3 chains at the end and slip stitch. The making of the flower is done. We are going to end it with 3 chains and a slip stitch in the first stitch where the first petal is started, and we are going to cut the thread. We have made 6 petals of the flower, and that was the reason I did 8 single crochet in the center, because sometimes it is very difficult to manage with 6 single crochet with 6 petals. To give a room, I have just given 2 more single crochet to make it more easily done with 6 petals without giving any kind of hurdle or stretches. I am cutting the threads because we are going to paste it on the band. So that is the reason I'm not using the crochet the needles. So this is the final look of a flower with 6 petals with the yellow center. Now we are going to make rest of the flowers with the same center, yellow center, and every band is going to have 6 flowers. So the combination is 2 flowers each color. Then I'm going to tell you at the end how we are going to paste it and how much distance we have to give. Now we are going to attach the flowers and the leaves together. The trick of making the flowers, because we have made 6 flowers, so I have already measured the distance. We are going to give after the area of the edges I have already crocheted. After that, the 2 fingers distance I have just chosen because I have already set the distance for the edges. So you have to make it estimated after making of the flowers. With the hot glue gun, we are going to paste 1 flower and 2 leaves together. So now I will tell you how we are going to attach the leaves. So here's the trick, the very important point that you do not miss, because we have already made the leaves and the tutorial for the leaves is available on my channel and you can even get it on my description. We are going to attach 2 sides together of the leaves with the hot glue gun and make sure that they are properly attached and glued. Now we have made the set of 2 leaves together. And now we are going to place it in the center of 2 flowers. So you have to make sure that the distance is accordingly, as you have made 6 flowers and almost 8 leaves. The set of 2 leaves is 1 set of leaf. So one by one we are going to place the flowers and the leaves together. The leaves are going outwards and these leaves are made with the wire, and that is the reason we can even twist them properly. So slowly and gradually we have to complete all the pastings. So our beautiful 2 shaded headbands or hairbands are ready. This is the most beautiful thing that you can even make for yourself. If you want to sell it, it can be rate in under $5 or under $1,500. So this is the best thing that you can add in your selling list if you are a seller. If you are making them for selling, this is the beautiful thing that you can add in your collection of the selling products. So here we have the beautiful thing that I have created for you with a detailed tutorial. I hope you have learned it and you are going to make it. And if you want to sell it, you can sell it under $5. So make it for yourself or your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. See you next time with new tutorial. Bye.